After launching the Prota software, the first thing that displays is the Open Project dialog box. From here, you can create a new project, or you can open an existing project saved in your project data folder. The projects displayed on this list are currently saved in the Prota Data 2019 folder, and this is in our documents. So I can click this. I'll access my documents, which is Prota Data 2019, and I'll see the list of projects. Now, perhaps I was working previously in 2018 before I got 2019 installation, and to copy projects from 2018 to 2019, all I need to do is I'll come back to my documents. I'll locate the project I want to copy. Just select, copy the project, and I'll move it to Protodata 2019, and I'll wait for it to load. And when it's done, I can close this. If you notice, the project has not displayed on this list. Now, to refresh this list, we can either close this dialog box and restart Prota software, or we switch to display most recently used projects and take it back to all projects. See our project here. We'll pick on the project. It's going to display the file name here, the title of the project, the display of the project, which we can zoom to see clearly, and close this. Project was made by, project was checked by, and properties of the project. Notice this column contains the concrete grade and also the steel grade, the codes used in this project, the number of floors, and the last time it was saved. On the filter area here, we can switch to either display all the projects that were made in Prota Software 2019 by clicking this, or display projects that were made in Orion or before Orion 18. We can sort alphabetically or by dates, and I'll just take it back to default. I can make a new project data folder, probably if I want to separate projects made by me and projects made by my colleagues. To do this, I'll come to the options here. I want my project saved in documents. I'll make a new folder by clicking this. I'll call it Prota Data 2019 Office. And when I'm done, I'll click OK. And I'll locate the new Prota Data folder in my documents. I have it saved here, Prota Data for the office. To send the file to another user, all you have to do is to locate the file in your Prota Data folder, compress it, and send it to the user. He receives it, probably in a zip format, and extracts it in his own Prota Data folder. Minimize this. Now I'll switch my selector to the new Prota Data folder for the office. You see the file. There's no preview, but you notice it was made with arrow 17. To update this project, I'm just going to click OK. I'll click yes. It gives it a new project name. I'll click OK. The code I want to use, I will import it. To browse project files, I'll come to File, I'll find Browse Project Files, and I'll see the files for this project. I'm going to close this. If I want to open a new project, I'll come to File, I'll click a new project. If I want to open an existing project, I'm going to click Open Project. I'll choose to save changes, yes. And this takes me back to my Open Project dialog box. I can switch to display all the list of projects in this project data folder. I don't need this project again, so I can delete by clicking this. Yes.